Alright, it is June 15th, 2020. Alright guys, it is... Hey guys, it is June 15th, 2020, and today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. This one's a little bit different because today I'm getting married. That's right, today at 3 o'clock I am getting hitched to Doug. Lucky me. So, I've already done my hair, and the year is 2020, so I don't have a makeup artist, don't have a hairdresser. Don't know if I would get them anyway, because I think I'm pretty passable doing it myself. I've got this little like ribbon in my hair, which is like just bobby pinned in there, so cross your fingers that that stays in the whole time. But yeah, let's get started. I'm a little nervous, honestly. I'm gonna start with some primer just to make sure my makeup will be long lasting and my pores will be filled in. It's like raining all morning, but I think we're gonna be okay. I think it's kind of overcast, which is perfect for photos outside. So overall, pretty stoked. As you can see behind me, I had a bachelorette party on Friday night, and for safety reasons we did it over Discord, and all my friends printed out photos of themselves all over the place, so thanks. And my room is just littered with these beautiful handmade flowers that my maid of honor and best friend Melissa made for me, so thank you. And she also made me this crown, which I'll probably be wearing for photos, but maybe not right now. So yeah, I'm just, oh, it's so exciting. Here is one thing, like I curled my hair and I put a few pins in it. But makeup is, I would say a lot more stressful. I gave myself an hour for makeup. It's 12 o'clock right now. I know it's not gonna take me an hour to do my makeup though. Like, that's just not me. So, I think for foundation today, I'm gonna use Elizabeth Arden Flawless Finish Perfectly Satin because it's such a great color match for me, and I know it's gonna last all day, and it's gonna be like on the side of like cakey without being like too cakey, which is what I'm going for. I'm so thankful today we've got no major acne problems. Not that that really matters, but I feel like if your skin's been good for a while, it's like, please stay being good. Such a beautiful foundation. Alright, and we're gonna go all out, so I'm going to contour. Trying to get that button nose. And we should do blush as well. Just going with the old I'm going with the old trusted and true setup here. This is my Sephora blush stick. Put a little too much on for the photos. Alright, super simple base. So I'm just gonna powder everything now, so we can focus on eyes. Oh, I didn't do under eye concealer. So today for under eye concealer, I'm gonna try to go a little heavier than I normally would, using this double wear waterproof. I don't know if I'm gonna cry or not today. Okay, and we'll do one more layer just for good luck. And I'll just use my finger to blend it in. Okay, that is my base finish now. Now I have a blue dress on. I actually made my own dress. You guys will see in the photos. But I don't know what that means for my eye. So I think I might just play it really safe with like a gold boring eyeshadow with, I think, minimal eyeliner. So I'm going to use a combination of this Viseart palette and this Kathleen Lights, the Zodiac palette. Starting with just something that resembles my skin tone all over the eyelid, just kind of quickly. And then slowly building up the color in a just kind of traditional eyeshadow shape. Nothing crazy, hopefully a little smoky. Welcome, bridegroom.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Are you gonna cry?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna get ready. Bye.
Bye. Okay, what's next? What's next? All right. And then I'm actually gonna use one of these liquid lipsticks from Bare Minerals called Gen Nude, and this is Hype, but I also have Everything. And I think Everything's in my bag, but they're pretty similar colors. Kind of my lips but better deal. All right. And that is pretty much it. We are pretty much good to go. So I'm gonna get dressed. We're gonna go do this, and I'll be back to share with you are photos from the amazing, talented Megan Simonson. So let's go.